class, we are going to solve problem under vector quantity. Okay, having summarized some of the principles and rules that should be guiding us in vector quantity, I said we are going to solve problem in our next class. So, and that is what we have here today. Okay, so the question says a man moved northward a distance of 4 kilometers, and then the same man moved east a distance of 3 kilometers. The question now says, what is his displacement? All right. Now, in vector, when you are asked displacement, you must also solve for direction. So you don't just solve for displacement. So that's what we are going to do quickly now. First and foremost, we represent that grammatically. So this is my north, 4 kilometers, the direction the man moved. And then he now moved east a distance of 3 kilometers. Remember, from parallelogram law, we said the resultant must come from their common point of intersection. So we are going to have the resultant coming in between, so we can complete the diagram so that here it becomes a resultant. Also, from mathematics, if here is 4 kilometers, here is also 4 kilometers. If here is 3 kilometers, this place is 3 kilometers. All right, so using our Pythagoras, we are going to say r square equal to f1 square plus f2 square. Okay, r square then becomes f1 4 square plus f2 3 square. So this is going to give us r square equal to 4 square is 16 plus 3 square, which is going to be 9. 3 plus 9, 16 plus 9 is going to give us 25. So take square root of both sides so that we're going to have r equal to square root 25. Square root of 25 is going to give us 5. And the unit is what? Kilometer. So this is our resultant. So this resultant here, r equals to 5 kilometers. So having gotten resultant, we need to find direction. Okay, so for direction, we are looking for the direction of the resultant with the north. Since the resultant is between north and east, so we can call the angle between north and the resultant alpha. All right, so we invoke our SOHCAHTOA. We can use sine, we can use cos, we can use tan. All right, so if I'm using tan, I'm going to say tan alpha is going to be 3 over 4. That is opposite over adjacent. Opposite. The opposite of this angle is 3. The adjacent is 4. And that is going to give us 3 divided 4 is going to give us 0.75. 0.75, okay? Now, I will now say, okay, tan alpha is equal to 0.75. Tan inverse of that, dividing both sides by tan, so that we are going to have that alpha equal to tan inverse of 0.75. If you use your calculator and punch that, you are going to have 36.87. Alpha becomes 36.87 degree. Okay, now this is vector, so you don't just leave your answer like this. So you are going to put your answer in this form. You say answer therefore now becomes resultant. Your resultant, which is 5, equals to 5 kilometers, comma, then the direction, which is this. So the direction you have solved for 36.87, and the resultant, the direction of this resultant, the resultant is between north and east. So you are going to say that, north 36.87 degree east, because the resultant is between north and east. So that is it, as simple as that. Thank you so much. So follow, comment, like, and share. See you in our next class.